In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send voice message on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then just get into some conversation. All we have to do now in order to send a voice message is just tap at that microphone icon. We need to long press or hold down this icon to record a voice message, and once we release our finger, the message will be automatically sent to that conversation. We can also tap on mic icon once, and now it says hold to record, release to send. So now I'm gonna hold down this icon, and now as you can see the voice message is being recorded. We can also swipe up to lock it, so now we don't have to hold down this icon, and once we've done with our message, we can just tap at send button to send it. That's how you can easily send voice message in WhatsApp.